Want to expand your existing home network using the Tenda Rx2 Pro as an access point? Let's get started. Step 1. Power on and hardware setup. First, power on your Tenda Rx2 Pro. Next, take an Ethernet cable, plug one end into your primary router's LAN port, and connect the other end into any LAN port of the Rx2 Pro. Step 2. Connect to Wi-Fi or wired from laptop. Now open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop, find the default Tenda Wi-Fi network name printed on the label underneath the router, and connect to it. Or use LAN cable from Tenda LAN port to laptop LAN port. Step 3. Access Tenda web interface. Open your web browser and type tendawifi.com or 192.168.0.1 into the address bar to log into the router's web page. Enter Tenda router login password and press Login button. Once logged in, navigate to More option from top menu. Then go to Working Mode Settings. Now press Switch Mode button under AP Mode. Press OK when tips pop-up windows open. The router will restart to apply the changes. Wait a few minutes until router rebooting. After the reboot completes, login router again. Step 3. Change Wi-Fi SSID and password. Now go to Wi-Fi settings and change Wi-Fi name and password if you want to use different Wi-Fi name for AP mode. Save settings and connect with your new SSID and password. Connect your smartphone or wireless devices to your newly configured Wi-Fi network. Your Tenda Rx2 Pro is now fully set up as a high-speed access point. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like button, share video, and subscribe for more quick networking guides. Thanks for watching.